All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today, Elk of Fortune is launching. So this is going to be a launch of Elk of Fortune. It's launching today at 6 p.m. UTC time. We're going to go over the whole entire thing today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even get into some cryptocurrency and get into some good projects. All right, everybody. We're going to be talking about Elk of Fortune. With that, the cousin, the Cake of Fortune, has basically been going strong for the last month or whatever. Everything's going real good with them. The Elk of Fortune is going to actually take 1% of their money and put it into the Cake of Fortune, so they're both going to be helping each other. Let's head over to this new project launching today, Elk of Fortune. All right, here we are at the Elk of Fortune. Cake of Fortune right at the top. Start your fortune. The lotteries is going to be going on, frequently asked questions. There's going to be a 4% referral for anybody that uses referral links. They're telling everybody that let's grow this project. So tell 2 people that you know to get into this project. Do it on your Twitter account. Do it on your YouTube. Tell your friends. Tell your sister. Tell your brother. Tell everybody. This is going to be a fantastic project launching today. This pays 3% a day. Very similar to like the crop farmers. You're going to have to approve your elk. And I'll do that for a second. So if you look at my MetaMask wallet, I'm already geared up and ready to go today. I actually already did my transfer. I have 1,824 elk that I'm going to do today. 1,824. So what you would do is you'd come over here. You put your 1,824. You approve your elk. Now see, it's not even live yet, so I can't do it. But you would put your elk right in here to do it. 6 p.m. UTC time. Eastern time, I believe that's 2 o'clock in the afternoon today. So 2 o'clock in the afternoon today. If you're Pacific, figure it out. You're going to do it. And then you would put your deposit right here. I would put 1,824 elk. And I would hire my miners, which are really good. So they got a lottery feature with this is going on too. What is Elk of Fortune? I'm going to come back to that real quick. Well, I'm going to do it right now. Elk of Fortune is a decentralized game built on the Binance Smart Chain. The objective of the game is to hire more miners sooner and more often than other players. This in turn earns you more elk faster. These miners work for you tirelessly, paying you daily average of 3% of your miner value. So this is paying 3%. You know what? I'll even show you how to buy some elk real quick. Over here, you go to the, did you see how I did that? I hit right over here, buy elk. And it takes you over here, and it's got BNB right there. And then you come over here, and you select your elk. I've already bought a lot of them, so I'm going to do a real small purchase here. We're going to go 0.05, 0.0. And sometimes if you have a hard time doing this, you can actually just put it over here in the top, and you copy it. It's a little trick I learned. All right, so we're going to go right here. We're going to paste it. Boom, 0.05. Okay, so I got 0.05 BNB. Select my token to elk. So I got BNB on the top. I got elk on the bottom. I come over here and I hit swap. I'm getting 38 more of these. Hit confirm. You can, right here, you hit, I got 1824. So I'm going to show you this 1824 elk in my wallet. And I'm actually going to have more than 1824 in my wallet now. It's pending. 1824 went up to 1862. That's how simple you do this. Elk of Fortune. So I wanted to show you how simple it is. You would click right here to add this to your MetaMask. I already did it, as you can see. You can see it in my wallet, which is fantastic. Going back over to the project. All right, the daily percentage return depends on the user's actions and can be taken with their platform and the impact of the miner's efficiency rate. The miner's efficiency rate raises and falls as users hire miners. The compound earning and pocket elk rewards. Once the miners are hired, they cannot be sold. The investment made to purchase them. So they stay into the program. What you're allowed to actually make is the reward to kick off of it. You can't pull your elk. Once I put my 1,864 elk into this platform, the next day I can't take it out. I can only take my rewards out. And there's a strategy that you have to compound and all that other stuff. Just like the crop farmers, you're going to have to compound 5 or 6 days in a row. And then you're going to go ahead and right here, you're going to compound or you're going to claim. Either way, depositing. It cannot be taken back. However, once you're bought, the miners will not stop producing yield. Note, the sustainability and longevity of this game will depend on every single player's action. It is crucial to compound your earnings at least as often as you pocket them. The moment someone doesn't do their part, the game as a whole will start to suffer. But remember, there's a 40% tax, so I don't think you guys are going to want to claim all the time, because if you claim, you're going to get charged 40%. Now, that 40% stays in the contract, which is fantastic, but if you're an investor, you want to maximize yourself and maximize the game. So the moral of the story, play the game right. The moment someone does it, we already talked about that. It is important to spread the word and recruit more players to the join. That's what I'm doing right now. If every person brings in 2 people and everyone plays the game as they're meant to be played, everyone wins. Do your part in the game, and it will last really, really long. So everybody, go and tell 2 of your friends about this. The devs will also be used in the dev fees will also be used in the SUR pools to increase the contract balance and the longevity of the contract with the used self-sustainability. All right, now this Elk of Fortune right here, it helps out the Cake of Fortune, which I have right here. So the Cake of Fortune is another project that's awesome. It's been out for about a month. Let's take a look here. Now, the other day when I did a video, there was $9,000 in this contract. Now there's $11,900 in this contract. How do you like us now? Pretty freaking good. Real quick, I'll just show you. You can compound. I got a little bit of cake here. I'm going to go ahead and hire more farmers to show you how easy this is. You go ahead and hire them. Make my snowball a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and compound that. And then over here, my hunting power is going to increase and my hunters are going to increase. This one also pays 3% daily, 1,095 APR. So you just got to love these 2 projects. I'm going to go over here to this YouTube real quick so we can see Crypto Craig in a second. All right, everything went up. We clicked the YouTube. Everything you want to know about either of these projects you can get from me.
Hello,
or
welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig, and today is Sunday, so we all know what's going up today. It is the rehypothecation day. So today we are going over the Cake of Fortune, and we are on 1,030 cake. In the past 5 days, we have had an increase of 3.5% each day.
So this is fantastic. They just did a weekly drawing yesterday. In order to win the weekly drawing, you do have to be in the Cake of Fortune, and you have to be in the Elk of Fortune. So you can go over to their, we'll do right here, their Telegram group. You open it up, and you get in here. So, you know, what's some of the things? Has it launched yet? No, not yet today. Remember, it's 6 p.m. UTC time. Has it launched yet? Not yet. How many hours away? Countdown anywhere. The countdown is 6 p.m. UTC, Eastern Standard. I believe that's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a little less than 4 hours for us. So this person says it's 8 a.m. in Hawaii time, 9 hours away. Sounds right. We will see what time. I know this thing is launching today. Go over to the Telegram, which again is right on top of here, and you can find out all the information you need. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, so I want to do a quick one on this one. It's launching today. I've already got my, it's like $500, a little over $500 of dollars turned into elk. What do I got? 1862. I got 1,862 elk. Now let's go over the lottery real quick. That's important, actually. Here's the lottery. How does the lottery work? For every 3 elk you deposit or compound, you'll be automatically given 1 ticket in the current lottery, up to 50 tickets max. These tickets come at no additional cost to you, and you have no impact on your overall investment. The lottery is automatically done every 4 hours, and the lottery has 100%, when it has 100% participations, whichever comes first. When the lottery person is selected, they'll get 90% of the lottery, which is absolutely fantastic. So every 4 hours, there's going to be a lottery going on here. Come over here and watch their white pages. You get their frequently asked questions. Again, this is just going to be a fantastic launching today. Launching today. So the thing about it being paid 3%, a lot of these miners are paid 8%, 10%, 12%, 20%. You got to think of sustainability. By them being like the Cake of Fortune, B&B Miner, one of my favorite projects. That's got a 3% every single day. It's been paying out for over 450 days. I've been in a lot of these 6-in-1 miners, and they're gone in a month. They're gone in 3 months. You know, a lot of investors, I mean, I know there's short-term investments, middle-term investments, and long-term investments. People don't mind the short term, but you honestly, if something's paying good, it's kind of sad when it's not around in 45 days. This project, we're hoping it's going to be around for a real long time. It's only paying 3%, which is actually better for everything because it's going to have a longer sustainability. Also, it's going to feed the Cake of Fortune. So if you haven't gotten the Cake of Fortune, you probably want to go over there. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click right here, and I'm going to list my video of the Cake of Fortune. Click over here, and my favorite miner, BNB Miner. It's been around for 450 days. I'm going to link that one. This is the video on Elk of Fortune. All 3 of these projects are absolutely fantastic. Want to do a little video launching today. It's launching today. Keep your eye on the Telegram. Oh, also in the Telegram, there's going to be a voice recording thing at the top that they're going to voice record. It's going to be a live voice. Craig's going to be talking, and basically you click it on the Telegram at the top, and he'll say, it's live right now, and then they do it, because once it's live, the lottery feature is going to be available. So, bringing you a short video from Frank's Crypto Corner. This is launching today. Cake of Fortune's awesome. BNB Miner's awesome. And also, this project's awesome. Thanks for tuning in. Have a fantastic day, everybody.